Welcome to Milac Online Tutorial, and before us is this trigonometry question, and it reads that a triangle has two sizes of length 40 centimeter and an angle of 110 degrees. Find the length of the third side. Now, this question is very tricky, and we need to be very careful. Okay, now we know that a triangle has three angles and three sides. Now, however, take note that these three angles must be summed up to give you 180. Now, but one of the angle is 110. Okay, so let me draw this. Now, as per 110, now this angle should take this form. Okay, all right. So let us make it this way. Take note, this is not drawn to scale. So let us say this is A, B, and C. Now, two sides are 40 degrees. Sorry, are 40 centimeters, which means two out of these three sizes are 40 centimeters. Now, but be very careful. Now, if here is 110, okay, this part shouldn't give you 40. Why? Now, because the angle here, okay, if here is 110, it implies that this angle and this angle will give you the remaining 70 to make it up to 180. And if here is 110, I guess, then it implies that this side opposite the angle must be greater than this side, which is 40, and this side, which is what? 40. So here we write our 40 centimeter, and here our 40 centimeter. Then here will be our small b. Okay, now that we've gotten there, now we're told to find the third side. So we're going to make use of the cosine rule. And the cosine rule, since we are looking for side b, we have b squared equals a squared plus c squared equals minus 2ac then cos b. Now plugging in 40 and angle 110 to this, we have b squared equals a here is 40 all squared plus 40 all squared because c2, then minus 2 times 40 times 40 then times cos 110 degree. So b here equals 40 squared should give us 1600 plus 1600 then minus 40 times 40 is 1600 then times 2, that will be 3200. So 3200 then cos 110, now cos 110, it should give us a negative minus 0.3420 to 4 decimal place. Okay, so b squared here will now give us 1600 plus 1600, that will be 3200. Then minus, okay, sorry, let us do this. Minus and this minus will give us what? Plus. Then 3200 times 0.3420 give us 1094.4. And when we sum this together, plus 3200, this should give us 4294.4. So we need to find b. So we just need to square root both sides, and this will give us plus or minus the square root of 4294.4. However, we don't need the negative value of this, so our b will now be what? The square root, the positive value of the square root of 4294.4. So the square root, this should give us 65.5316. So to the nearest whole number, this should give us what? 66.0 centimeter. Final answer. Thank you and God bless you.